CR7 has begun in a series of auditions with players from all over the world, vying for the number 7 shirt at Real Madrid. On the judges' seats are Sergio Ramos from Spain, and Luka Modric from Croatia. And our first contestant is Morata from Spain.
Chai! There is God! Oh.
Guys, I swear Morata sabi play ball. Die! Now just tension they catch him for here. I beg Muna sign him.
Oh my God!
I still fit dashing at the guy free of charge.
Our next contestant is Harry Kane from England.
No only PK sabi score.
Na lie, na my dance be that.
Our next contestant is Hazard from Belgium.
That one na 200 million euros.
How now?
Oh yeah, how much last one I won't buy am?
100 million.
Chai!
Okay, Muna bring 150 million. Make I join Morata and Bakayoko for now as Jara.
Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
But now say Morata give Chelsea.
Our next contestant is Igalo from Nigeria.
I was built to be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, oh I believe. I know I can count on me.
Jesus is Lord!
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Oh my God! Jesus is Lord!